Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making a banana bread. I'm going to be quick. It's going to be easy. You can follow the recipe and make your own banana bread at home. So in this bowl I have half cup of room temperature butter, and I'm going to add 3/4 cups of granulated sugar to this, and I'm going to cream them together. So I'm going to start at a low speed and then increase it to a high speed. So guys, this is the texture I'm looking for right now. I'm going to be creaming it some more, but I will be adding the egg and the banana together. So I went ahead and I have some crushed bananas here. I used 3 very ripe banana, medium-sized bananas. 3 I used. So I crushed them, and I'm going to be adding this alternatively with the 2 eggs. So I'm going to mix these, combine them, then I will add the other egg and the remaining banana. And as you mix, you should ensure that you scrape down the side of the bowl to ensure that you get everything in the mixture properly creamed together. Of course, whatever sugar was not properly mixed, it will melt during the baking. My oven or your oven should be already preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla to this mixture. Then I'm going to be adding my dry ingredients to this mixture. So right over here, I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour that I sifted, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of mixed spice. So I sift everything and I combine them. So I'm going to be adding them to the mixture at this point and cream everything together. Now let me use a measuring cup and add it. So I'm going to be doing this on low speed. So I'm just gonna add the remaining flour to the mixture. this is nicely combined. The last thing I'm going to add, you can use raisin, you can use nuts, walnuts, unsalted peanut, you can use raisin and peanut together. I'm not going to add any nuts today, I'm just going to add some raisins, and I lightly flour the raisins. The reason I'm doing this is because I don't want the raisins to sink to the bottom of the mixture. So I'm adding half cup of raisin to my banana bread, and I'm going to fold this in. I'm not going to whisk it in. I have my bread pan already greased, and I'm just lining the bottom of it with parchment paper or baking sheet, as you would call it. Alright, so I have my bread pan here already greased and lined with baking sheet or parchment paper. It's the same thing. So I'm going to be pouring my mixture in this. I'm going to use a smaller spatula to get the remaining mixture from out of the tin. Then I'll smooth off the top and put it in the oven. Spillings. Clean up my tin. Here. Smooth it up a little bit. I'm going to just release any air that is in it. And I'm going to put this to bake for 35 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So once the banana bread is finished, I'm going to show you the finishing product. Alright guys, so this is the banana bread. I just removed it from the oven. Well, I already tested it anyways, but I'm good. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to allow this to cool in the tin for about 10 minutes. And then I'm going to take it out and allow it to further cool. So this is what it looks like when I cut it. I'm going to show you the finishing product. Guys, so this is the banana bread. It looks nice. I'm just gonna lift it for you to see the sides. Nicely brown. It's not burnt. And you can see the raisins that they did not fall to the bottom. Alright, so I'm just gonna slice this for you to see what it looks like. I'm gonna remove this part. And I'm going to cut into it. Just so that you can see. So this is the banana bread. I'm just taking these raisins. Just cut in so that you can see the finished product, and it's really soft and the texture is really nice. It is not dry. I'm just gonna break it so that you can see. Want to taste it, Tony? Really nice. Really nice. I really can't show you me right now because my hair is not combed, but it really tastes lovely. The spices that I put in there, it is soft, the texture is good, and you can see that the raisins are evenly distributed in it. So guys, if you really liked this video, give it a thumbs up as usual. Don't forget to share, encourage your friends to subscribe, drop a comment in the comment section, and once you subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos. As the videos are posted, you can get to view them. So thanks for watching and thanks for your support, and see you in the next video.